To have your lead student do a self-evaluation for the IROCs, go to the student profile in Genius, scroll down, and on the left-hand side, click IROC. Then click Add New IROC. And at the top here, click Self-Evaluation. And this is where the student will complete their self-evaluation for the IROC. So the student can read their goals, the previous goals. They can give themselves a score for each goal in the drop-down menu here. And in the text box, they can type the reasons why they gave themselves that score. And they can do that for all 3 of their goals. And they can also give you any suggestions that they have for any goals that they think of. And they can also type whether they have been a resourceful individual, compassionate and tolerant, emotionally secure, or an independent critical thinker. Once they've completed that, you can click Save, and then you are ready for the IROCs.